Let's go right to the point on how to install Go. Open your web browser and go to the official Go website, golang.org. Click on the download button, scroll down to the featured downloads, and choose the Microsoft Windows version. Wait for the download to finish, then double-click the installer file. Launch the installer and follow the prompts. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Now all you need to do is add it to path, so follow me carefully and let's do it step by step. Go to the file location, bin, and copy the path. Open environment variables and follow these simple steps. To verify it worked, open a new terminal or command prompt and type Go version. You should see the installed Go version number printed on the screen. So as you can see, Go is now installed and ready to use.